I'm so mighty impressed with this shot. Okay, so look at the center, the dark black spot, and see the things which are moving. The ones which are moving are the leaves. Okay, what do you see? The black spot is the drone. What do you see? The clouds. You know how I shot it? I myself am surprised. I'm so surprised that I shot like this. Look at this. Actually, I came back again here to shoot one video because where I had taken the shot, I forgot to switch on the record button. So I came back to shoot it again, and that didn't happen. I mean, how it unfolds, let me tell you about it. When I go back for editing, I realized that I didn't record that video, but I could have gone back the same day, that is yesterday. I didn't go because whatever God has in store for me, plans for me, I know He will take care of me. I just know that. So I left it, and I finished the editing and all that, and then I wanted to capture the shot just to see how it is going to be. Okay, whether I'm going to post it or not, I didn't know about it. Okay, see how I brought it up to the bridge. Now you see the kind of control that I have over the drone now. Okay, I mean, I should not have sped up this thing because I would have got more time to explain you things. So it so happens that I stay back in the resort. Normally I don't take the place in the resort. No, it's expensive, but I don't know how I called them and they gave me an offer for 1,300 rupees a cottage. I took off. So I want to stay again because I thought I'll take the shot the next morning. Okay, and secondly, because the food was excellent in a restaurant called Vitamin C. C is ACAC. Look at this, yeah. Look at this. No color grading, nothing. The bridge, the stability of my control, and the cloud formation, the sun shining on it. It's just beautiful. Okay, I will also tell you which was the shot that I wanted to take. Okay, so I stay back for the food and then I come back. I had no idea that I will shoot like this. I myself didn't know that I will capture something like this, and I'm mighty impressed about it. Do you understand? If you pay attention to what you do and love what you do, things are going to come out great as such. It will really come because all the credit should go to the God. This is what I wanted to show. I've captured this yesterday, but it was a different color because the lighting was different from the sun. Okay, it was out in the sense the sun had come out, and today the sun is behind the clouds. So the color combination that what we see today is a little different as such as compared to yesterday. Go ahead and see it because there are a lot of other things that which I've shown you in that maravante video. Even though this is maravante that we talk about, it is different. Okay, and this is the river that we talk about. Where this is coming from? It is coming from Kollur. Okay, and where the bridge was there, that is sauparnika river. Okay, so they mix, but I don't know where they go join the sea. That I don't know about it. This island that you see, it is 1 kilometer long, and here there is a boating and all. They will take you around and all that. I don't know how much they charge. I didn't go explore it. And this is what I wanted to do. Okay, I did this yesterday, but when I turned the camera on, I took a photograph, but I forgot to actually record the video. Okay, today I was very clear that I was very specific that I will press the record button. I knew that part of it. Look at this. Okay, yesterday the sea looked clear because the sun was out. Today it is not clear, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Look how beautiful this is. On top of that, I don't know whether it's a cricket ground or here I should not have sped up because the cloud which are moving along with me with the drone was excellent. Seriously, I'm telling you, it is excellent. Beautiful. Now we're going to take it up. See the control that what I have on the drone, and it doesn't end there. That's what I'm saying. See, it is all. I'm just a puppet. Okay, I'm just a puppet. Whatever God is asking me to do, it's just happening. Seriously, I'm telling you, I'm not here to, talk about religion and things like that. I will never talk about religion and such. My faith is my faith. Okay, but the travel journey has become even more, interesting as such. I have no idea where I'm going to go next. I've stopped even, planning because I know that God has His plans and He will take me there. All I need to do is put petrol in my car and drive, and then He will take me to the destination. That's what it is. We are on the bridge. From that side, I told you, right? Sauparnika river is coming from this side, is the Kollur water. But I don't know from here, where does it go? On the other side is the maravante. People travel on this, but they don't come on this side. I also did the same mistake. And it's 66, right? It connects Goa to Mangalore to Kerala and all that. People all don't take that, but they will take photographs on the Maravanthe beach, but they don't come on this side of it. Okay, you thought it is the over. No, it is not over. I'm supposed to stop the drone here, but I bring it at tremendous speed. It didn't stop. Then I continued to record. But now you see this. I'm taking the drone down to the water. The view is even more different. View is different, isn't it? Beauty. I'll see you in a new day, new place. I don't know where. Stay safe, stay healthy. Come back. Come back.